We have our gun. All right, so set the tension settings on the gun to 3 or 4 by twisting the knob on the black handle. So right now it's at 1. And move it to 3. All right. And setting the tension higher will damage the sensors and cut the cable. Setting it lower will be too loose and you'll have a lot of play on the sensors and the cable. We have our gun right here. Go ahead and put it down. Make sure that the sensor is between the cross section of the fence. Go ahead and go under and then go over. Go ahead and feed it into this little hole right here and pull the excess. Okay. Now you got your gun. Push the orange handle outwards and then feed the excess metal tie wrap into the gun. Get right there. Keep squeezing until it's tight. The metal tie wrap will snap off when it's fully tightened. All right? And then push the orange handle outwards and remove the excess. There we go.